Good morning, students. Today we will discuss in fundamental chapter how to calculate interest on capital in the different cases. The case number one, that is, if participant deed is silent regarding the interest on capital and profit for there is rupees 50,000. प्रॉफिट अगर हमारे पास कंपनी का पार्टनरशिप का 50,000 है और पार्टनरशिप डीड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के केस में साइलेंट है. About the interest on capital, partnership deed is silent and profit is rupees 50,000. Then how to calculate this interest on capital or how to find the profits of the partners individually. What is we have to make PL appropriation account. In this account, profit is rupees 50,000 by PL account. हमारे पास profit आ गया 50,000 rupees. Then distribute this profit to partners A and B. There are two partners A and B, and their ratio is 3:2. It is already given in question that ratio of the two partners sharing ratio is 3:2. Then we ignore the interest on capital because about the interest on capital partnership deed is silent, so ignore this interest on capital and distribute this 50,000 rupees among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. 2. Profit transfer to partners capital account. A's capital account में profit जाएगा और B के capital account में profit जाएगा. This B calculated in this way. The ratio is 3:2, so 3/5 for A into 50,000, then get 30,000 rupees, and 2/5 into 50,000, 20,000 rupees. In this way, this 50,000 is distributed among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Case number 2. If partnership deed provides interest on capital 8% per annum and profit for the year is 50,000. Losses for the year is 50,000. 8% per annum interest on capital है और losses firm के 50,000 rupees है. तो how to distribute this loss? See here. Loss, this is 50,000 to PL account से हमारे पास जो लॉस है वो इधर लेते हैं. PL account से प्रॉफिट आता है that will be taken in the credit side, and जो लॉस होगा वो हम लेंगे डेबिट साइड में. तो इस तरह से टू PL account से लॉस 50,000 का आ गया, and then distribute this loss on the partners because there is a loss in the partnership firm, so there is no need to interest on capital, distribute this interest on capital to partners. Simply this loss will be distributed to partners capital account. In this way, by loss transferred to A's capital account and B's capital account. This is again जो है ये 3 और 2 रेशो में जो इनकी प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशो है, इन दैट प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो वी डिवाइड दिस लॉस 50,000 among the partners in 3:2. So 30,000 loss will be bear by A and 20,000 loss will be bear by B. In this way, we distribute the losses among the partners and this loss will transfer to their capital account. Now come to the third case. Partnership deed provides interest on capital 8% per annum and profit for the year is 50,000. So see the third case now. In third case, partnership deed provides interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum and profit is profit for year rupees 50,000. Now see how to calculate this. Again PL एप्लीकेशन हम ओपन करेंगे हम पहले. First of all, distribute interest on capital. This is 8% on their capitals. Capitals of the partners are 2 lakh and 1 lakh. 2 lakh and 1 lakh. A's capital is rupees 2 lakh and B's capital is rupees 1 lakh. So distribute this first of all to interest on capital. A को मिलेगा 8% 2 लाख पर, that is 16,000. और B will get rupees 8,000. Total interest on capital is rupees 24,000. Now distribute अपन profit जो हमारे पास PL से अकाउंट से आया, that is rupees 50,000. Again the same credit side. The balance is rupees. Subtracting this 24,000 from 50,000, you will get 26,000 profit, and this will be divided among the partners A and B in their profit sharing ratio. So to profit transfer to A's capital account, B's capital account in 3:2. This 26,000 will be divided on the partners in 3:2. 15,600 and next one is 10,400. In this way profit will be divided. So the rest of the cases will be discussed in the next video. Okay, have a nice day.